at it. I love your room.
Yeah, thank you. Because I'm preparing. Good morning mga kanina. I'm prepared like this. To him, yung mga leftover namin sa aming breakfast. Tapos sabi ng jowa is namimiss daw niya yung papasok siya sa umaga dati. Ako yung naghahanda ng kanyang almusal. Eh, before naman, wala pa akong work. Kaya hindi pa ako masyadong nakakapag-prepare pa ako sa kanilang mga breakfast. Gigising ng umaga, mag-prepare ng breakfast para sa kanya. Eh ngayon, pagod na si Kameme. Walang ganon. Minsan lang, katulad yun, walang pasok. Di paghahanda ko siya. Ayun oh. Ayun siya oh, kain-kain na. Yan oh. Kaya ako naman ay gagamit ko oh, Bear Brand, Chocomilk, black pa siya sa Philippines. At saka dito kasi mga kanimi, hindi uso. Here is not into it in the warm food in the breakfast and in the afternoon, right?
Bread in the morning, bread in the afternoon.
Yeah, just only bread.
And
Quick.
you want also bread in the evening?
Yeah, it's just a lunch.
I know you have a song about it. Bread in the morning.
Bread in the evening, bread. No, they are not used to it to eat hot food in the morning and in the breakfast. In the morning, in the breakfast, in the afternoon. And he used to it because I live in China before. So, nung pumupunta siya ng China, nagbe-breakfast kami ng lugaw na kung ano-ano sa China food. That's Chinese food. That's why sometimes he used to it na. And then when I've been here, so I prepared for him a lunch, a hot meal. Ganon. Ganon sila. Hindi sila uso. Walang ganon sa kanila. Bilisan ang ganap. And yes, we were going to the market. Today is the day going to the market. Melatek. Punta tayo ng palengke. At ang jowa ay nagpiprepare. Hinaalis yung...
Ik denk dat wel dat we komende winter even die hele kar ondersteboven gooien.
Ja.
En gewoon dingen weg gaan gooien. Ook het spullen van mij, hè.
Ja, alsjeblieft.
Dus er zit zoveel in.
Ja, ang aming storage. Oh, punong-puno. Oy!
Ja, die kan voor mij nu hier wel.
Ayun, kasi kailangan ko ito Pag sa palengke. Alsin muna namin mga kamime. Good morning mga kamime. It's a morning day here in the Netherlands. Yes, kakagising ko lang. Tanghali ako kasi mamaya ang duty ko sa work. At ang jowa ay abahar sa aking pagkain. Nagluluto na ako ng itlog for today's video. First, drink water. Hate water. Nakaugalian ko na to every morning. Iinom ako ng maligamgam na tubig. Fresh ba tayo sa bagong gising? Pop.
What?
Yes, I make the egg. Be-prepare ng jowa ng bread. Ayun ang jowa. Hi jowa, good morning. Good morning.
Goedemorgen.
Good morning. Basta natin ilaw para medyo, yan. Dito tayo ng egg na may kamatis. Hindi ako pwede ng cheese ngayon. Kasi gawa yung chan ko.
Oh, lekker kaas.
You like cat?
Ja.
In your part, but mine I cannot eat.
Binnenkort een klein beetje bediend. Heel klein beetje.
Just for you. Hindi kasi ako pwede ng ng cheese. Gawa ng chan ko. Diba ilang araw ko nagpururot. Hindi nga ako pumasok. Bread, 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 bread in the morning, bread in the afternoon, bread in the evening, bread, bread, bread. Nederland, 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 Nederland. Wait, what are you doing? Where you bring that? Oh. Here, in the... Ang jowa, oh. Preparing ang jowa, preparing. Thank you. Yes, ito na nga at maglalagay tayo ng cheese. Halika. Ito yung aming cheese. O, yan. Tingnan nyo ang cheese. O. At tayo ay maglalagay ng cheese. Gulo ng camera. Ito ang cheese. Cheese ng Holland. Ng Netherlands. O, ganyan ang. Ganyan. Dagdagan natin sa jowang part. Ganito pang slice niya mga kamay. Masarap talaga to. Kaya sumakit ang tiyan ko eh. Hindi, meron kasi ako lactose bacillus sa mga dairy products. Kaya ako ay careful na. Alam mo naman, mahirap na. Pwedeng konti-konti lang mo masyado. Ito sa jowa, hindi sa akin. Sa part na yun. Pero lagyan mo na rin ng konti yung sa akin. Para may alat-alat. Kasi hindi ako naglalagay ng asin. So yung cheese kasi, di ba maalat ang cheese. So, doon na lang tayo babawi. Tapos, lalagay tayo ng paminta. Ito na yun. Laban lang natin. Meron na tayong almusal! Kanan! Diba? Sa umagang. Kanan! Merong nag-doorbell. Yung medicine daw ng jowa. Kasi ang jowa ay merong rheumatic. Kaya siya ay nagtuturok. Kawawa nga eh. Pag nakikita ko. Matagal na sa kanila. Parang lahi na rin ata nila. Ewan ko ba? May ganyan siya pero napakabits maglakad tayo. Yes. That's your medicine.
Like the glucose. I need the fridge.
Our forecast is so full now. Very full.
Because you get some yummy things in
Many veggies. I know you like vegetable.
Yeah. So next week we don't need to go.
Actually, we don't have much meat, but vegetable a lot.
Yeah.
Grabe, wala kang masyadong meat, but vegetable a lot. Ang lalagay niya sa ano, sa rep. Kailangan kasi ilagay sa rep yan. In the other side. Yes. That's mine.
Okay.
Later I will get it. Here. Bring it.
Oh, grab this one.
Or miskin this.
No. Give me
Just olive oil.
Yeah.
Ito na ang aking egg. And sa side na yung kanya. Is everything fine now? We can eat. Kabay ng tubig. Hindi mo na magtsatsa tubig lang. 8 watts. Para sa akin. Baka magkakabibi na tayo mga kamiling. Kasi yung tiyan ko. Lokaret na si Kagame. Check. That's it. Nilagay ko na mga kamay dito ang aking food. Ayan. Ayan na. Nakatungo ang ating camera. Ayan. Kain tayo mga kamay. Tubig lang ako. Ayoko muna mag-tsa. Wala pa naman ang tiyan ko. Scotcha, what bread this one?
Volkoren.
It's a brown bread, yeah?
Yeah, even better than regular brown.
Yeah.
More fibers.
This one more fibers.
Yeah.
What include this one? I don't like with the nuts, remember? Sometimes they have sunflower nuts.
Oh, ja, nee, nee. Ik moet zeggen, grof volkoren. So, it's not, sometimes there are some crunchy things, but not too much. Eigenlijk vind ik dit wel heel lekker.
Yeah. And plain.
Ja.
Lasang lasa.
Lekker.
Healthy. Kasi may mga asin-asin na to eh. Yung mga ganitong bread. Ang sarap. We're talking about the market because I've been to market yesterday. And you know, it does cauliflower, only one. And that's the last. And then they have another turn to me. I say, oh, I hope they are not buying. I hope they are not buying.
Oh, no.
Because maybe
no.
Before me, they have another people. So you need to wait to them. And then I point them. Oh, you.
Yeah, I witnessed that some weeks ago, but then I was not lucky. Because I wanted to buy the pak choy.
Yeah.
And there's a Chinese girl, she gets all...
Oh.
Like 5 pieces or so.
Yeah.
No, actually that it was a little rude because it was my turn, but she was getting it next to me by hand because usually the veggie man is getting it.
They should not do that. But of course the vegetable man, it's okay for him because he's a nice guy. You see the courgette? Wow, so big. That's why
was dat €1?
Yeah. And I talked to Jowa that sometimes they have some turkey guy they selling there. For example, it's a one tray, €1 lang yun. And then, for example, tomato. In front, they are nice. But when you look down under the tray, the tomato is so super soft. That's not good. You need to. That's why I'm not trusting to buy more than. But when I found and I see the other Netherlands guy vegetable, I buy even it's one sack of tomato. It's only €1 mga kamimi. Kaya panalo talaga. Mag-iisip ka talaga dito kung paano ko makakatipid. Dahil ang mamahal din po ng mga bilihin dito, sobrang mamahal. Pag hindi ka pumunta sa palengke, wala. At sa grocery, may dala-dala pa nga akong tray, di ba? Yung aking mga, kung napanood yung mga previous ko. Kaya, kailangan makatipid ka talaga dito. Kung hindi, ubos ang iyong income. Di ba? Tsaka, trusted naman yung mga pagkain na nabibili. Lalo na sa palengke kasi nga, mabilis ang galaw, mabilis ang bilihan. So, ayun ang ganap ko kahapon. And yes, nandito tayo sa labas for walking kasi mamaya pang alas 3 ang pasok ko. Wala mo nang ligo-ligo, walking lang tayo. Para tayo may stretch, mga kami may stretch avant, ganon. Halika na, mag-walk tayo to morning. Pampaganda ng ating skin at ng buhay. Hindi ba nga, ang ganda sa umaga. Parang bakasyon lang tayo. Pero dito yan sa Akon City. Oh, ang ganda ng ating walking bago tayo papasok ng work. Sana always ganito. Charot. Ang ganda oh, may papaunti si Mayor. Ang mga puno ang lalaki. Pak! Oh, di ba? Oh. Ang dami pang ducky ducks. Oh. Ito ang lakad-lakad tayo. Oh. Sa umaga, waligo. Waligo. Ito naman puno ang laki. Ganda, di ba? Upo-upo ka lang dyan. Tapos sa mga bahay-bahay, yan, paano, yan, kung paano sila mag ng appliances. Pag ikaw ay nasa 4th floor or sa pinaka rooftop, hindi mo madadala yan sa ganyan ang way nila. Hi, I'm back home. Bahay na ako mga kameme. At ako ay magpapahinga ng konti at may pasok tayo. Pero before that, magtsatsaang muna ako. Sana magkukopya ako sa labas. Nagkuripot na naman si kameme. Nagmahal. Sabi ko, mahal ang coffee. €4 also the coffee outside, right? Almost €4. Tapos nagpapainit ako ng aming ulam kagabi. At ayun ang ila-lunch namin. Sana ulo ko. Naka 1 oras at kalahati din ako naglakad. O ngayon, pa-fresh, mamaya liligo. Then, pasok. Ganon! Work. In-explain ko sa jowa ko saan ako nagpunta. Na-gets naman niya. Ganon. Let's go. Wait na. Andis. Kain tayo mga kamime. Meron akong yung tira namin kagabi. Ang ginit. Diba? Pag may tira, may ginhawa. Do you believe that? If you have a leftover, you have what's English in ginhawa. You have a wonderful life. Comment down below what's the English of ginhawa. You have a peaceful life. If you have leftover food, you have a peaceful life. What's English in ginhawa? Comment down below. Bisan jowa. Nagtalong pa. Niluto ko na ba? Giniling at talong. Super gulay. Sarap. Ito sa akin ng jowa sa kanyang ganito. Show it to them.
Ngayon, sama na rin.
Ayan, para may pasa. Nakita ko doon, pinatitignan niya sa akin. Sabi ko parang pasa lang siya. At least, it's not bulky.
Right.
And it's not red.
Correct.
It's just like, what do you call in English of pasa? When you bump something and then you feel something like, ouch.
Yeah.
And then now it's color, before it's red, and now it's paiche purple and red.
Yeah, true. Something to watch but not to worry.
Sarap, leftover food. Ganyan jowa.
Thank you for a great eating. But what we're gonna do with the juice?
Nothing. Oh, later you put the rice there.
Oh ja, dat is een goeie. Ja, dat gaan we bewaren.
If you want.
Yeah, then you got steamed rice in it. Oh yeah,
yeah.
We'll leave also some carrots.
Yeah, that's perfect. That's for you. Meron pa kami maliit na Hindi.
I know you want to eat before you go to the office.
No. I will go. I will shower and prepare.
You can boil it in the nice water.
I don't know what I'm gonna eat tonight. Maybe I just drop by in the grocery store. Maybe they have a free meal to me. Charat.
Oh, I wish for you that will be the best.
If not, I will go.
Maybe frietje.
Yeah, in there.
Omeladage.
Okay, bye-bye.